Yo, what's up guys, KIKO here. Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're gonna be reviewing the Camlink 4K by Elgato and also my new camera, the SONY A6000. As you guys know, I've been streaming full-time or part-time for about like 7 months now, taking it seriously, and we've been growing to the point that like I'm trying to do some investments. I try to grow my setup. Like I like photography and stuff like that, so I didn't mind it, but also I'm growing into the point that I want to upgrade your guys' experience and everything that I do. So if I show you right here, this is my webcam right now, but if I show you this little thing right now, you ready? What's up, dude? A completely new world. Look how different this goes. I go from like a normal tone, a wider angle, but a pale. The microphone looks like it's right next to me. It looks like it's bigger than my face. The room looks shallow, and that's what the power of the Camlink does. So what the Camlink does is a little device like that, and let me actually put it on the good camera, you know. That's the Camlink right there. What it is, it's a little device. It's like a USB adapter that you can connect to your computer, and what it does is it allows you to use a real feed time into your computer from a DSLR with that same quality. So right here, this is real time right here, and this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you the difference between what a DSLR looks like and a normal webcam looks like. So I'm comparing the A6000 compared to the C920, and as you can see, it's night and day. Like if I move my head, you can see it. Like my skin color, like I say, it looks toned. Like I have a light right here, you can see my shadow right here, but like the room, if I step up, look how much bigger that looks. It looks like I'm actually moving around. It looks like I'm real size. It's not distortion in my thing. As you can see, the camera actually has a 60 frames per second movement. So if I move too fast, you can actually see every single movement. Meanwhile, on the webcam, if you pay attention, it's actually like look like kind of like a delay, kind of like cartoonish. It's not doing the proper movement. So what I'm gonna be doing from now on, I'm gonna be using my DSLR. The one thing I can tell you from the Camlink, is that it does the DSLR doesn't have like a charger, like an input. So what you want to make sure of is that you buy like a dummy battery or something. That way you can keep a forever loop of battery. That way you don't have to like worry like what happened to me on the stream today. I had to kill the DSLR and then just focus on the focus on the webcam because I had to charge it. Of course, I stream for like 2-3 hours. Usually that should be like if I charge a full battery, that should last a full stream. But if you're planning on doing 10-hour streams, 5-hour streams and stuff like that, I would recommend you getting a dummy battery. But overall, like as you can tell, it's as easy as that. All you do is on OBS, you get a window capture, properties, Camlink, you're good to go. Same idea when you set up the webcam. Extremely good quality, like I said. So I'm gonna leave a link down below for everything that you saw here. If you have any questions about it, you can come to my stream, twitch.tv/KIKO. I will respond any questions you have about it. But as you can see, we're making moves, we're growing. I'm gonna be putting more things in the background now that it actually looks like there's a background. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this comparison between the a normal webcam versus a DSLR with the Elgato Camlink. And yeah, love you all and peace.